Hi everyone, welcome back to Cloud Institution. So today we will see another chapter on the HTML. So in the previous videos we have seen the what are the header tags. Okay. So in this video we will see the next topic, that is what is the paragraph tag. Okay. So first of all we should know about the what is the tags. So then you'll understand these tags. What is the paragraph tags and what is the header tags. Okay. So if you haven't watched that, what is the tag? Okay, so if you don't know the what is the tags, you can go through our playlist, which is having like I have already covered the what are the tags. So you can go through that video. Okay, so let's say about the what is a paragraph tag. Okay, so the paragraph tag is like it is used for to create the paragraphs for the web page. So in this HTML page, in the HTML language, this paragraph tag is used for to create the paragraphs on the web page. And how it will be? Okay, so it always like starts on the new line. Okay, so if you see that it starts on the new line and takes up the full width of its parent element. So I'll show you the what is the meaning of this starts on new line and takes up the full width of its parent element. I'll show you in the practical session. So what is the meaning of this one? And automatically adds a margin before and after the paragraph, means it will set the default margin before and also means at the end of the paragraph. Okay, so and also display as a block of a text separated from the other blocks by blank lines or indation, means that means it will remove the indation from the whatever. First it will go with the one block and then it will remove the all whatever the indation is present in the paragraph. Okay, so now you can see there is like example paragraph. Okay, so let's see about the practical how it will work. Okay, let me create a one file here that is called as a paragraph.html. Okay, so shift plus one, if you click on this and enter, then it will create the basic structure. And now let me create a paragraph tag. Okay, so if you click on if you press on the P and enter, so it will go for the paragraph tag. Okay, now let me add some kind of hi, this is from cloud institution institution. Okay, so and today we are going through the paragraph tag. Okay, so I have added this as a paragraph in this. So let me run this example, this file. Okay, so now you can see. So it is setting the one margin here over. Okay, and also it has removed whatever the indication is there. Okay, so now you can see, hi, this is from the cloud institution, and today we are going through the paragraph tag. Okay, so this is the what about the um, paragraph. Okay, so for example, what if I give the it is in the next line? Okay, so it always the paragraph, whenever you use a paragraph tag, it will always start in the next line. So that is a different one. Now if I add some kind of h1 tag here, okay, and also heading one I mentioned, and I'll this tag I'll write it in beside of the h1 tag itself. So if I write that beside of the h1 tag itself, but it doesn't show you in that same line. Okay, it will always starts in the next line. If you see here, so the heading tag is like in the first line, and the paragraph tag is in the next line. Means it always starts in the next line itself. Okay. Now another thing is like, if you see that I have given some kind of in the paragraph tag, some of the content I have used in the next line. Okay, there are some kind of white spaces are there, or you can say that is indication also is there. Okay, let me use like some three lines I have, four or five lines I have given here. But so when it is going for the display, let me save it. Okay, and let me go to the my uh, website here, refresh it, and also you can see it is as it is. That means it will remove all the white spaces. It will take by default only one white spaces. Okay, so even if it is if it is having a lot more lines, then it will till the end how much it can fit, and then it will take that one and it will go for the next line. Okay, I hope this video is useful for you guys, and I hope this paragraph you understood. If you have any doubts or any if you have understood, please hit on the like button and share it and subscribe it.